When your car cranks but does not start, it means the engine is trying to run, but something is stopping it. This can happen for many reasons. Don't worry, this is a common problem, and there are a few simple things you can check to fix it. If your car is not starting, the problem could be with the fuel system. One common problem is a faulty fuel pump, which may not be delivering fuel to the engine. If you don't hear a buzzing sound from the rear of the car when you turn the ignition on, the pump might be the problem. Another possibility is an empty fuel tank, which sounds simple but can happen. Just make sure there's fuel in the tank before trying again. If your car is not starting, the spark system could be the problem. Worn out or dirty spark plugs, or corroded spark plug wires, can stop the engine from firing properly. Check the spark plugs for wear or build-up and replace them if needed. Also, make sure the spark plug wires are in good condition. Another possible problem is a faulty ignition coil, which helps create the spark. If the ignition coil is damaged, it may need to be replaced to get your car running again. If your car is cranking but not starting, the battery or electrical system could be the problem. Even if the car cranks, the battery might not have enough power to run everything. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. The Ancel Car Battery Tester is a simple and effective tool for checking the health of your car's battery. It allows you to test the battery's voltage and overall condition by easily connecting it to the battery terminals. If it's low, you may need to recharge or replace the battery. Corrosion on the battery terminals can stop the power from flowing properly. Clean the terminals and make sure the connections are secure. The CRC Battery Terminal Protector is a spray designed to protect your car's battery terminals from corrosion and buildup. By preventing corrosion, it ensures a clean and reliable connection between the battery and the electrical system, which helps improve battery performance and avoids starting problems. If your car cranks but does not start, the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors could be the problem. These sensors help the engine control unit know when to fire the spark plugs and inject fuel. If your car is not starting, the air intake system could be the problem. A clogged air filter can block air from reaching the engine, which is needed for it to start. To fix this, check the air filter for dirt or debris and replace it if it's clogged. This simple fix can help your engine get the air it needs to run properly. With a little checking, you can get your car running again. Regular care helps avoid problems later. Taking care of small things now can stop starting problems in the future.